Oh hi, peoply peoples. I thought today, because it is a rainy day and I got some craft supplies in the mail that I'm really excited about, I thought I would take some time to share what I got. So I ordered from Simon Says Stamp, which is in the state of Ohio, and I also live in the state of Ohio. As of today, which is March 23rd, they are still operating. But in the state of Ohio, they are closing down non-essential businesses at the end of today. So I'm not quite sure how that's going to affect Simon Says Stamp. If there'll be, still a single person in the warehouse, or how that will work out. I'm thankful my order came in, and I'm really excited about the products that I got. So let's get started. The first thing that I got, it looks like they scraped a sticker off, is the Nuvo Aqua Shimmer in, it says glitter gloss down there. I'm really excited for these. I see Amy Helms from May Made It. I see her use these a fair bit. Like, I don't even know, you're supposed to shake them. I hear something rattling around in there. Apply different pressures to the reservoir to control the amount of liquid. Oh, here. Activate the Aqua Shimmer pen by unscrewing the front section. Remove the yellow plastic ring. Screw the front section back into the reservoir. Hopefully that's working. Press the reservoir a few times over a scrap paper to flood it with ink. Once it's been activated, do not separate the front section of the pen from the reservoir. So let's, what's the, oh, I see, you probably squeeze that. Oh, I see some liquid coming down. Oh, there it goes. This is just some Post-it paper, so it's obviously not going to be as good as cardstock, but you can, well, you probably can't see it, but oh my goodness. But it definitely is, well, okay, I'm not even going to try it on that because showing it on camera, because it's just a waste, but it is, in fact, actually shimmery, so that's exciting. So I will keep these two. Yeah, I think it comes in different colors as well. Let me refocus. I think this comes in different colors, but the clear one is the one that I always use. So I picked up that. Super exciting. I got some envelopes. This is the Simon Says Stamp brand in metallic green leaf. And these are just A2 envelopes with the self-seal, I believe. Yes. So they are a beautiful metallic green color. And then these are also the Simon brand metallic doll. And I just picked these up for some spring cards that I'm going to be making. So there's the pink metallic. Beautiful. Alright, what else did I get here? Alright, we'll do oxides next. So I have a pretty full collection of distress oxides, I'm not gonna lie. But there's still just a few colors I'm missing, and I've been doing some stamping projects lately, and I've just noticed some gaps in the colors that I have. So I decided to go ahead and just order some more. So here's the colors that I got. Fired Brick, Dried Marigold, Carved Pumpkin, mustard seed. Pine needles, which I swear I already had pine needles, but I don't think I did. Mowed lawn, and I'm really excited about mowed lawn, actually. Look at that nice green color. It's gonna be great for spring projects. And finally, Salty Ocean. So these are the additional colors that I have. I also bought re-inkers, and I'm gonna maybe lay those out here. So in addition to the oxides themselves, I do tend to buy the re-inkers because I've not had to re-ink a distress pad yet, but I just hear that you have to do them more often. So there's a few in my current collection where I did not have the re-inker, so I got them. So really quickly, I got Forest Moss, Squeezed Lemonade, Mowed Lawn, so that one goes there. Shabby Shutters, Chipped Sapphire, Ground Espresso. This is Mustard Seed. This one is Pine Needles, Dried Marigold, I think this is Fired Brick, Antique Linen, Salty Ocean, Shaded Lilac, is this Carved Pumpkin? Yep. Stormy Sky, and Dusty Concord. I think these are all the ones I had missing in my collection. I think I have the rest of them. And then of course one for each of the ink pads that I just purchased. So those, I'm actually gonna put those back in the bag. And maybe after this video, I will do a video showing my stamp pad storage since it is new. Let me just dump these back in this bag here. Alright. I also need to swatch these, so maybe I'll show my little swatch book that I use. I got some more Studio Katia sparkling crystals. Does not want to focus. There we go. The sparkling crystals, which I really love. And then I got some paper pads. So I got 2 of the Dandy Day 6x6 Lawn Fawn pads. Like, oh my gosh, I just love the Lawn Fawn everything designs, to be honest. I got, oh, it looks like I got some more envelopes. So these are Metallic Lavender. They're just so, the metallic, I just love it so much. And I also really love the Simon brand because they have the adhesive in them already. Alright, and then I also got this Hackney & Co. 6x6 pad. It's the, I think it's, yeah, from Craft Consortium. It's called the Herbarium. I actually have the large 12x12 of this paper, but it is honestly, it's just, the designs are just so, like, oh, I just love them so much. So beautiful that I wanted to get it again. I've been holding off on using the 12x12 pad because I want to save the paper, but I saw the 6x6 on the Simon Says Stamp site, so I thought I would pick that up. And then finally I got some kit items. So first is this one, and I saw this on the in a May Made It video, and she was like featuring it on her website, but I picked this up from, again, well, like I said earlier, from Simon Says Stamp, but I really liked it. So it's just it's called the Family Game Night Collection, and it has in it 12 by 12 papers, and then a sticker sheet and some cut aparts. This is from Carta. I also picked up the coordinating frames and tags. I got it because I especially liked the little sari cubes, or like pieces at the top. And then because I'm weird and I'm like always afraid of these paper packs that, you know, it only comes with one sheet, I tend to always get the 6x6 paper pad as well, and will use this instead of using the original 12 by 12s that it comes with. So I did get this. And then, last but not least, and this is one of the things I was most excited for, is I bought the Simple Stories Collector's Essential Best Year Ever. So this is another one of those like monthly, I think you can do scrapbooking with it or make a calendar, whatever you want. So it's got papers for every month. They're double-sided. And then you get the cardstock stickers, the cut aparts, everything. So you get those by default in the pack here. And then I also got the sticker book, the coordinating sticker book, which is taped on the sides, but here is what is in there. Let's see if I can focus this. That's the stickers in there. And then this is the it's called snap cards, I guess. I don't know. It's just all the little like die cut cards that kind of coordinate with it, and I'm actually gonna take these out and put them in here, so maybe I could do that right now and show you guys some of them. Although I think they're all on the back. Also, I swear I ordered the 6x6 paper pad to go with these, but I don't see it in my order here, so maybe I did. I have to go back and double check. So what does this come with here? So you get, okay, so yeah, so they're double-sided. So here is, it's hard to tell actually. I'll move this to the side. It's hard to tell like what months go with what. This is So Much Fun. So I assume that goes there. Maybe so does that, I don't know. February, March, July. Maybe that goes to July. Yeah, y'all, these are definitely not in any kind of order. April. January, February, March, April, May. Okay, so now they seem to be following in order. June, July, August. Ooh, September is really cute. It's like back to school. September. October, this is November, and finally December here. Okay, super cute. I just love like seasonal stuff like this. I do not know why. Man, picking things up off my desk is hard. August, November, December. Okay, and then it came with these like bigger ones too. I think per month it's, yeah, 2 4x6s. So February, March. Ooh, that's cute. March, April. Oh, it's all the same like style of writing. So yeah, you guys get the gist. So that also came with this kit. I'm probably, so I also have the Authentique like calendar kit, and it's a very different style than this. That one is like vintage, and this one is more like cutesy, cartoony-ish. So I'm not sure if I will use this one to make a calendar or like do the scrapbooking, because it comes with these cards, and use the other one for a calendar. Who knows? So that is all I have though. Hope you enjoy. I hope you guys, if you're staying in, if you can stay in, that you're staying safe and healthy. I'd love to see the craft projects that you guys produce, you know, while we're in this quarantine state. All right, see you guys later.